It's a Drea effect. Hey guys, this is the Drea effect coming to you with her first video. So today I will be showing you guys how to melt this lace. We're gonna be melting this lace, baby, okay? So I am using Iamerickaj Hold Me Down lace glue and adhesive. And baby, when I tell you this is some good glue, honey, it is very good. I went to the beach in that hot, scorching sun. And when I say this wig did not lift not once, this thing ain't lift not once, baby. If you not like me, you better go get you some Iamerickaj Hold Me Down glue, baby, and her adhesive. You cannot forget the adhesive, I'm telling you. But anyways, I'm gonna let y'all get back to this tutorial, and I'm gonna be quiet, and I'll get back with you guys later. Peace. You guys, so as you know, we're about to come to an end. I want you guys to all follow my Instagram at the Drea effect _. And I want y'all to please come back and watch it, subscribe, like, and comment. Y'all have a great day.